Pink Amazon River dolphins. There are 5 species of dolphins that make their homes in rivers. The most popular is the pink dolphin, which lives in the Amazon River in South America. Pink dolphins, also known as boto, are between 6 and 8 feet long and weigh between 185 and 355 pounds when fully grown. Their skin color can be light gray, pink, or brown. These mammals spend a lot of time swimming and looking at the bottom of the river for their meals of crabs and even small turtles. They swim up to 30 kilometers in a day. These dolphins are considered the most intelligent of all river dolphins, with a brain capacity 40% than that of humans. According to Amazon tribes, the boto are the friendliest river dolphins with humans. There are stories of people being pushed ashore. Any questions?
Do you know what are those little lines, those long things at the bottom?
These are gars.
I think
What are
they're
they?
needlefish.
What did you say they are?
Gars.
Stars.
Yeah, I've seen one at the
the type of
Cincinnati
fish?
Zoo.
Oh.
I've seen one at the Cincinnati Zoo.
Oh.
Is that a Lego at the bottom?
Yes.
How did he put the fish in?
The little tiny ones.
Yeah.
I just cut them out and put them in here. These things.
How are you going to take that off?
It's not glue. It's
Any
a
other
sticky
questions?
thing that-
She told us.
Crabs and small turtles. Crabs and small turtles.
And those are the only things it eats? Did you tell us?
Well, it can eat catfish too, and some other things.
Did you tell us if it's predator or prey?
It's a predator.
Is anything a predator to it? No.
I don't think so.
Any
Do you
others?
have a question?
Okay, class. Where did she say the pink dolphin lives? Caleb,
South America.
is that right? Is it only South America? And in what body of water, Joshua?
The Amazon River.
Is that right? Is that the only river?
I think so.
I think so. Okay. And what's another name for the pink dolphin? Noah.
Papaya?
Seraphima, do you know? Boys,
Boto.
is that right?
Boto.
How do you spell that?
B-O-T-O.
B-O-T-O.
Okay.
I knew that because of a book we were reading. It sounds like or 2 nights ago. It looks like it's spelled Boto.
And
All right.
Noah,
You want to explain your...
these are the things, these are parrots, because its branches hang over the Amazon River.
Oh, nice.
I have another question.
What?
What's that thing that's like tan? What's the thing that's on top of the tan?
What do you mean?
The top
I
left?
can see.
No,
No, up.
up towards the top. Top left.
Like towards the top. Yeah. What's
Those are
that?
poisonous frogs.
I can't see it. It looks like just blue.
Poisonous blue frogs.
Bluey frog.
And then some are on
Right into the
in the tree on the pond.
Hey, I can see.
We'll look at it more in a little bit. All right, let's give Grace some compliments. We'll clap in a minute. Noah?
I like pink dolphins.
You like
Cool. You did a good job.
job
You did a
doing
great
it,
job
Grace.
on it, and I love your presentation.
You're good. Yeah. I like the blue color in the background. Is that paint?
It's the sky.
Is it paint? All right, let's give her a hand. Thank you, Grace. Good job.